Okay, do it. This is Matthew Wilbanks attempting an underwater visit. What do you call it?
Massey's swimmer member.
Swimmer member?
Yes.
Sounds a lot dumber than underwater visit.
Put a fish or a frog down there. Oh, I'll do it. I'll do it. Then take a picture.
Okay, do
Do you take a picture?
it. Yes.
Do what? Do you see me blinking my eyes?
Uh-huh.
Do you see my eyes open?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Tell me something really important.
That was called the shark bitter.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, say goodbye.
Goodbye.